Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, in this video I will tell you very important things about this Qualcomm CrashDump Mode error. Okay, so if you're facing this error, then watch this video till the end and I will tell you how you can fix it as well. Okay, so this is my OnePlus 9 Pro, and like few days ago, like 2-3 days ago, I was using my phone like normally. I was scrolling Facebook and Instagram, and my phone like suddenly went into like dark, when like it was switched off. Okay, and I was confused like what happened, like my phone got switched off suddenly. And first of all, explaining everything, I just want to say sorry about my English. Please manage it. I will try my best to explain you guys in English. I just want to make this video in English because I want to reach this video to everyone. Okay, so anyone who is facing this error. So I was obviously using my phone, and my phone went in my phone just got switched off, and when I turned my phone, it was showing me this error, and I don't know about it, like what is this error. I never get this error in my life, so I have used many phones. But when I search on internet, on Google, like a lot of people was saying like it's a software issue. Okay, so if you have to install a software through MSM tool. Okay, so and they were saying like just install it and it will fix. Okay, so what I did, like obviously I know some little bit about software, so I downloaded MSM tool, and I install a software through MSM tool on my OnePlus 9 Pro. So they have said many things on like videos, on article, but they did not said it's like it will wipe your old data. Okay, so what happened, guys, I obviously install my software on my this phone, but it wiped my all important photos, videos, and like documents, everything it wiped, but it did not fix my phone. Okay, so this is, guys, what I'm saying, it's very important to you guys. It's not a software problem, it's a hardware problem. Okay, so it's a hardware problem, so don't install software. So if your data is very important for you guys, like your photos or videos, or like you have documents on your phone, then don't install, guys, software. If you install the software, it will wipe your data. Okay, it will wipe everything from your phone. Okay, so it's a hardware issue. So if you first check photos and videos doesn't matter to you, or your files doesn't matter to you, you can try a software. Okay, but I know it won't fix because it's not a software issue, it's a hardware issue. Okay, I have researched things on like Google, on YouTube as well. So it's a hardware issue, so you have to fix on, you have to go to shop who is very expert on this. So there's a thing, guys. There's a one is RAM and another is like CPU. They both are connected. Okay, so what happened is like they are detached now. It's disconnect. Okay, you have to connect them once again. I don't know why it's happened on, mostly it's happened on OnePlus phone. So I researched on Google, so there are a lot of people who mostly use OnePlus phones facing this error. So what happened, like the RAM and CPU is disattached, and you have to attach it again by like cleaning everything. Okay, and my light also went off, I don't know why. So that's what I'm saying, guys. It's a very important thing, like it's very important. Like if you install a software through MSM, it will wipe your old data and it won't fix your phone as well. So better that go to the one who can fix this error through the cleaning that CPU and RAM, and it will obviously they will connect both of CPU and RAM, and it will fix your phone. Then you won't lose your data as well. So don't just install software. It's if your photos and videos are not that important for you in the internal storage, then you try to install a software, but I know it won't fix. So what I'm saying is like it's a hardware problem. Fix through hardware, and then you will get your old data back. Okay, but if you install the software, if you install software through MSM tool, it will wipe your old data. It will like, it's just like a reset. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you got it what I'm trying to say. And right now I went to a shop, and he was saying like he can fix it at like 2500 to 3000 rupees. Right now I don't want to fix it. I have another phone. So okay, so hope you guys got it what I'm trying to say. Have a great day, guys. If you have any questions, just comment below. I will definitely reply you. And sorry for this darkness. Okay, just light just went off. I don't know why, because the outside the winds are blowing. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.